The Insurtech community in Florida is alive and well. And last month, Insurtech Florida, we held our inaugural event at the iconic Tampa Club. This groundbreaking event was a collaboration between Insurtech Florida and RISE. It's an organization dedicated to empowering the next generation of insurance leaders. Together, we assembled an exceptional lineup of thought leaders, of innovators, and future trailblazers in the insurance and technology space, all designed to share insights and spark new ideas. The event began with an electric atmosphere as professionals from across the industry, we gathered to network and discuss the future of Insurtech. Everything from emerging startups to seasoned executives, the room was buzzing with energy and curiosity. This event was made even more impactful by our partnership with RISE, which brought together the industry's brightest young minds. Their focus on developing future leaders was evident in every conversation and presentation, and they shared fresh new perspectives around innovative approaches to tackle all kinds of industry challenges. One of the evening's highlights, however, was a dynamic panel discussion that I had the distinct honor to moderate. We explored the intersection of technology, of regulation, and the unique opportunity in Florida's insurance market. Panelists tackled all kinds of critical topics such as leveraging AI to improve operational efficiencies, adapting to environmental risks, and embracing the transformative potential of digital innovation. Yogesh Kadlikar, who is the Vice President of Digital Transformation and Customer Experience at AAA, he talked about an interesting opportunity to leverage AI to discover patterns in unstructured data and drive better predictability around everything from marketing to claims. For example, he suggested that we could leverage AI to drive deeper market segmentation and to improve the personalization of not only the insurance products, but the price paid for coverage. He also suggested that AI could be even further leveraged to drive better risk selection and underwriting, all which serves to drive improved loss ratios. Werner Kruk, who is the CEO of AAIS, he raised a very fascinating point that most carriers that offer property coverage in Florida now are either local or very regional, and they lack the national catastrophe response coverage that the large national carriers offer. So herein lies a very significant opportunity to leverage AI to not only drive more efficient claims processing, but instead to also leverage AI's advanced predictive capabilities to proactively position resources where they'll be most needed during a catastrophe. He also highlighted the need for us to abandon not only legacy technology, but legacy thinking. He cited a need for us to revisit even our insurance products as a whole and determine whether or not they're a fit for our market today. Laura Johnson, who is the co-founder and chief product officer at Cypher, she reminded us that the rate of change is increasing exponentially. That means that carriers, we need to be especially discriminating with respect to the technologies we choose, ensuring that those technologies, as well as the partners who support them, are going to be able to incorporate those advancements in technology over time. Specifically addressing challenges in Florida, she suggested that by improving the risk assessment process, that carriers should be able to more effectively influence the risk mitigation and loss prevention dynamics that are associated with those properties through recommendations that will not only improve the overall risk, but the pricing as well. Brandon Donatelli, who's the CRO at Homey, he reminds us that time is money, and there is an incredible opportunity for us to leverage AI to drive improved claims efficiency while simultaneously improving the customer experience. However, Brandon also pointed out that the industry as a whole, we need to be thinking smarter about the cycle times involved in evaluating, procuring, and then implementing new technologies. He worries that with the ever-increasing rate of change on the tech front, what Laura was talking about, that technology decisions can be very easily outmoded by the time they're deployed, given those long sales and cycle times. Another key theme was the importance of collaboration. You see, the speakers reminded us that innovation isn't just about technology, it's about working together across the industry and across generations to solve these complex problems and create a more resilient future for our market. So this event wasn't just about sharing ideas, it was about inspiring actions. And we saw how all of the energy and the ideas that came together with our future leaders, how that can transform not only the industry, but the communities that we serve. So as we complete this wrap up of this incredible inaugural event, we are reminded that Florida is poised to become a hub of technology innovation. So on behalf of the Insurtech Florida board, thank you for everyone who joined us, to our speakers, to our panelists, to our RISE leaders, and to our attendees. Your passion and commitment are what make events like this so valuable. I look forward to seeing you at the next event, and stay tuned for another 5M conference recap. Farewell.